think everybody look at the sum. This is the sum of indefinite integration, and it is also useful for you all. Look at here, solution. Dx by, this is cos c plus cos d in the form of cos c plus cos d, so change it as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This part can be written as dx by 1 by 2 cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos cos x minus alpha by 2. We know if you change this part as x minus alpha, then it will be minus x minus and in bracket x minus alpha. And we know cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So write here as cos x minus alpha by 2. Now, this type of sums, when cos and cos means cos in two forms in denominator, then you have to change it here as sin cos or cos sin, and that will come from our sin a plus b or sin a minus b. So set here as sin x plus alpha by 2 minus x minus alpha by 2. Now see, is it right or not? Yes? And from this you will get sin alpha, 2 sin alpha by cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2 dx. This part can be written as 1 by 2 sin alpha into, right here as sin a minus b, sin x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2 minus cos x plus alpha by 2 into sin x minus alpha by 2 by cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2 dx. Now if you write separately these two parts, then here will be sin x plus alpha by 2 and cos by cos x plus alpha by 2. This part will be cancelled. So write here as 1 by 2 sin alpha integration tan x plus alpha by 2 minus, from here we get this part will be cancelled, tan x minus alpha by 2, tan x minus alpha by 2 dx. Now this part will be written as 1 by 2 sin alpha into this will be changed into log, into 2 log x plus alpha log sec x plus alpha by 2 minus log sec x minus alpha by 2. This part, this will be cancelled. Here will be cosec alpha into sec log a minus log b log sec x plus alpha by 2 by sec x minus alpha by 2 plus c is equal to cosec alpha, and this part will be 1 by cos and 1 by cos. So this part will be go up at log cos x minus alpha by 2 by cos x plus alpha by 2 plus c. बंद करते हैं.